Rinit Ravichandran is asking that is PMS investment safe? Who should go for it? What are the pitfalls or risks of investing in PMS? PMS investments are safe because they are well regulated. It is managed by a professional fund manager, and because they have become big, they have SEBI is now taking a far keener interest in terms of investor protection, or the minimum has been increased. The way they are sold has changed. There's a restriction in terms of earlier they used to offer upfront commission. Now they have been stopped from doing that because it leads to misalignment of interest. But I would say that mutual funds score over PMS on variety of factors. One, they are very intensely regulated mutual funds. PMS can claim anything. They claim a performance, but PMS cannot actually make a claim of performance simply because PMS performance is different for each and every investor. If I'm a PMS client, I invest. You invest after one month. Because PMS is nothing but I'm delegating. I'm giving a power of attorney. I'm authorizing somebody to act on my behalf and trade everything. Then the tax efficiency bit. All the interim transaction that happens in a PMS is subject to taxes. Short-term capital gains you'll be liable for. When you invest in a mutual fund, and if you hold your mutual fund for 3 years, everything becomes tax-free. 1 year it becomes long-term capital gains. You are not liable for any taxes, whatever, even if the mutual fund is trading in day out. So tax efficiency is another factor, the interim tax efficiency. Because in PMS, all the transaction that happens, you will be liable for taxes. Third is, intensity of regulation. Mutual funds are supposed to, very tightly regulated because small investors are involved. The simplicity of it, the convenience of it, you can start with your SIP. In case of PMS, the ticket size mandated is very high. With your mutual fund, you invest and you take your money out, or you do your SIP of 5,000, 10,000, 500 rupees, 50,000 rupee. Expense is regulated, and it has to be uniform for everybody. Of course, it is not customized. So I would say that you are much better off if you can spend little time understanding mutual fund and choosing a good one. Use value such premium account as and when it's offer, and you will have great performers, great fund managers. Very unusual transparency that we witness. So go with fund and be little selective. That will be worth it.